Soft washing equipment, Vanguard System. The very best soft washing equipment on sale today is made by SoftWash Systems of Florida and sold by Purple Rhino SoftWash Systems Limited in the UK. The Vanguard system makes life easy for the operator to make and apply an effective soft wash solution which can safely clean render, cladding, brick and stone free from organic matter. It also provides the user with the ability to rinse down surfaces after they have been soft washed clean. The Vanguard system has a larger water tank which gives you more time to rinse down when you have a limited water supply. It also has an onboard water purification system which can be used for window cleaning by providing pure H2O, also known as deionized water or spot-free water. In addition, the Vanguard system has 4 of these cool little saddle tanks. 3 for your soft washing chemicals and 1 for your plant wash mixture. All electric reels ensure an easy operation for you and your employees. Each come with 300 feet of clear braided hose. Marine grade electrics with superior aluminium bodywork gives you professional grade soft washing equipment. 12 volts and 230 volts quiet electric pumps provide you with enough power to work and apply your soft washing solution all day. The rinse module plugs directly into the mains electric supply or can be powered by our new 2500 watt lithium battery power supply pack available now. Anything with a fossil fuel engine is not soft washing equipment. It is merely a converted pressure washer and is not recognised by the soft washing industry. Learn more about the Vanguard system and other soft washing equipment by visiting our website softwash-systems.com or call 08000 496 098. Thank you for watching.